In one of my previous videos, I was showing you a method that I used myself to make over $2,600 in one day using Amazon affiliate marketing. And this is one of those methods that's not going to be working for you all year long. This is one of those methods that if you are going to set it up every now and then, specifically when I'm going to show you, it's going to make you a lot of money anyways. Now using this method, you can make anywhere between $100 up to a couple $1,000 per day just for setting it up. But you have to be very careful when you are going to set it up because this method works best just a few times per year. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly when's the best time to set it up, what niche to go for, and how to make the most amount of money with it using this secret traffic hack that nobody out there uses and that's been working for me very well in the past. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel to never miss out on any of my future uploads, and also down in the comment section below, do let me know what is your favorite holiday, because that's actually something that's going to be useful for this method as well. Alright guys, as you can see right here, today is September the 14th, and if you're going to do a quick Google search, you can see that Halloween is like a month and a half away, and this is one of the best times to set up this exact affiliate marketing method that I'm going to show you in today's video that's going to be using Amazon and products from Amazon to make money with. Now I've been testing this method out previously in one of my older videos, and as you can see right here, that video got over 6.3 thousand views, and in this video I've showed you how I made over $2,600 using this exact same method but for a different holiday. If you are going to go to Amazon and you are going to do search for example Halloween decorations, because we are going to be having Halloween in like a month or so, you can see right here you can choose from thousands of different Halloween decorations that you can promote and actually make money with using this secret traffic hack that I'm going to show you in today's video. So make sure to watch from beginning to the end, because I'm somewhere in this video I'm going to reveal the exact traffic hack just for a couple of seconds, so only for those who are going to be watching the entire video are going to get to know it. So as you can see right here on Amazon, you can find literally thousands of different Halloween decorations that are varying in price anywhere between a couple dollars up to literally hundreds of dollars. Right here I can't find any of those expensive ones yet, but when I was researching this method out previously, I've seen some pretty expensive items right here, because the thing is we are not going to be promoting these items one by one. What we are going to do is we are going to put them up into one package, and we are going to be using that to promote many of these items at the same time, so the chance of making money with this is going to increase hugely. So first of all, what you want to do to make this as easy as possible is just go to Google and you want to search for kit.co. Hit search on that, and pretty much what you want to do here is just go to this first search result that's going to be called kit.co, and you may want to sign up for your account using your Gmail or any other email address that you may want to use for this. And once you are going to log into your brand new Kit account, what you need to do first, and actually I've been getting a lot of comments about this, is you need to connect it with your Amazon affiliate account. If you're going to sign up for Amazon, you can grab yourself an affiliate link, or more like an affiliate code, that you are going to then embed into kit.co. And to do that, what you want to do is just go to your profile, and in your profile you need to go to this monetize section. You're just going to click on that, and if you're going to scroll all the way down here, you can see you can connect your kit.co account with many different online stores out there. So pretty much, for example, if you're going to open Amazon right here, all you have to do is just fill in all these tracking IDs for the countries that you are going to be promoting for. Now I highly recommend you are going to fill these out for every country out there, because you never know when you are going to get that sale. But pretty much you want to just fill this out for Amazon, and you can also do this method for many different stores out there. For example, right here you can see you can do this for Bass Pro Shop if you are going to be promoting some items from that store, or Dick's Sporting Goods on pretty much iHerb, GameStop, many different stores like Walmart, Home Depot. You can use kit.co to connect them with your account on these websites and promote items from these stores all in one place just as well. Once you're going to connect your Kit account with your Amazon or any other online store account, what you want to do is start putting items that you are going to be promoting into a kit. To do that, you want to go to this blue plus button, click on that, and you want to create a brand new kit. Just click on create new kit, and what you want to do here is just go ahead and name it something. In this case, we are going to be promoting Halloween decorations, so I'm just going to name it something like Halloween Decoration Essentials. Then I'm going to go to this description, and as you can see right here, you can add a description and also include a bunch of hashtags that are going to make this kit a little bit more visible if somebody's going to be searching for it on random. But don't worry about it, because we are going to be promoting this kit directly to millions of people anyways, so it doesn't have to be anything specific. So for example, I'm going to type in there something like, get your Halloween decorations before it's too late. Browse our tab selected decorations and add a bunch of hashtags like home or holiday or pretty much something that's going to describe what this kit is about. Then just click on next, and pretty much what you want to do here is just fill it with Halloween decorations or whatever you are going to be promoting using this kit. Now the first thing you can do is just go ahead and type it into this search bar right here, and it's going to grab the offer from Amazon. But what I like to do myself personally is just go to Amazon directly, and I'm going to search for Halloween decorations on there, because that way you can get a more detailed view of what you are actually going to be promoting, and you can start filling up your kit. So pretty much you can choose anything that you may want to promote, but I highly suggest sticking to a theme. For example, let's go with this cobweb decoration that you can put on the outside of your home. So I'm just going to open it up, and as you can see, you get a bunch of details about it, which really doesn't matter right now because we are going to be creating a vehicle that we are going to use to promote this directly without having to use this offer at all. All you have to do then is just go ahead and copy the link to this Amazon offer, go back to kit.co and paste it into the search bar instead. As you can see right here, it's going to grab the offer for you directly from Amazon. You can see it's the exact same offer, and pretty much all you have to do then is just add it to your kit. Now before you do that, what I highly suggest is that you're going to fill a story about this product that's going to be giving a little bit more insight what actually this offer is about. And to do that, just pretty much go back to the Amazon article, go ahead and copy something from this description. Just copy a part of this description, paste it into this description of the product on kit.co, and then click on add to kit. And as you can see, you have added your first product. Now rinse and repeat for different product that you may want to add to your kit. For example, like these pumpkin light decorations. So I'm just going to open them up, copy the link to the offer, go back to kit, paste it into the search bar, hit search, and it's going to grab it from Amazon. Then I'm just going to go back and copy something from the description. Make sure you are going to copy from the right description so you don't end up like me right now. Something like this, okay. Then just paste it into the description on kit.co and click on add to kit. Now pretty much you can go ahead and fill in your kit with as many items as you possibly want. All you have to do is just go back to Amazon, search for the actual decoration that you may want to use. For example, now we can try something like these ghosts out there, 2-pack Halloween spooky ghosts. Okay, I'm just going to open it up. Then I'm just going to copy its link, add it to my kit, hit enter, copy something from the description, paste it into the kit details, and I'm done. Now for the sake of not making this video too long, I'm just going to add these 3 items right now for the demonstrational purposes, so I can show you guys how to actually promote this kit very effectively using this secret traffic hack. But I would highly suggest that you're going to make your kit as shiny and versatile as possible. Once you're done filling up your kit, all you have to do is just click on this close button right here. You want to go to your profile and you want to see the kit that you have created. As you can see right here, I've been promoting some different kits on this account that I've been testing out, but here you can see the Halloween decorations that we have just created. And as you can see right here, you can browse through the items that you have added in there. Now pretty much all you have to do now is just drive the most amount of interested buyers traffic to these Halloween decorations, and every time somebody's going to make a purchase from this basket without even having to actually purchase the entire basket, they can just choose a single item from it if they like it, and you are going to still make money. Now to actually get the most amount of people as possible to see this kit, what you want to do is just go to Pinterest and you want to search for Halloween decorations. As you can see right here, you can find hundreds of posts promoting many different Halloween themed decorations and stuff. Best and easiest ways to get targeted traffic for your kit filled with decorations from Amazon so you can get some sales in. Now this is not going to be working just by posting a simple pin to Pinterest and hoping it to catch some sales. You want to utilize this traffic hack that I'm going to show you in just a couple of seconds, because we are actually getting to that part slowly. But before we do that, what you want to do is you want to go to Canva and you want to create a simple Pinterest post. Search for Pinterest pin, and what you want to do here is just select this 1000 by 1500 resolution, and you want to create a simple post from scratch, or you can just go ahead and browse through all of these pre-made designs that you can find right here. But obviously I can't see anything Halloween related, so I'm just going to create something very easy from scratch. Now first thing I want to do is just fill this canvas with something Halloween related, and for that I'm just going to go to Google and search for Halloween poster. Now if you got better idea how to create a very interesting Halloween poster, just go ahead and do that, but what I'm going to do is just show complete beginners how to do this from scratch in just a couple of seconds. So for example, I'm going to search for something like Halloween poster and I'm going to grab some of these images. For example, this one right here struck me immediately and it's something that I would want to click on. So if you are going to be choosing some of these posters, just go for something simple that you yourself would click on immediately, because that way it's possible it's going to be working for other people as well. So just click on the image that you may want to use and then I'm just going to download it to my computer and then I'm just going to put it to my Canva. So I'm just going to do it something like this. I'm just going to stretch it out a little bit more to hide the parts that I do not want to be showing, for example like this text at the bottom. Then just go to elements on this left side and you want to search for something like pumpkins, for example. You can find something like this that you can use very well for this project. So I'm just going to place it in there, put it something like, let's go with there, okay. Then I'm just going to search for ghost and I'm going to use some of these very scary images of ghosts that you can find on Canva, for example like this one right here, okay. Place it in there just like that. Then I'm just going to search for something like spider web. Okay, and I'm going to place one of those in there as well. For example, like this one right here, you can see it's going to fit very well in this corner. So I'm just going to place it in there and adjust it a little bit, something like this. And also let's send it backward so it's not going to be blocking this ghost image right here. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to search for rectangle or something like that. And I'm going to place it on this canvas to hide this text. If you are going to have an image with a text like this and you don't want to use it, just go ahead and hide it something like this, because this is the place where we are going to add our custom text. Something like this. Then I'm just going to change its color to make it more Halloweeny. For example, let's go with no, something like this should do very well, okay. Then I'm just going to place a text box in there and I'm going to type in there Halloween decorations. Then I'm just going to place another shiny. This time I'm going to use this shiny text right here that you can find on Canva. Actually, you can choose from all these different designs, but I'm going with this very basic one because it's the most easy to read. So I'm just going to type in there something like get your Halloween decorations, and also I could have done a little bit better job at this tab text, but you can just go ahead and customize it however you want it to look like. But keep in mind, I'm doing this on video, so it's putting a tremendous amount of pressure on me to make this look good, so obviously I'm going to fail that. But you want to create a very simple design just like this on Canva, then just go to this share button and you want to download this to your computer as a PNG or JPEG. Let's go with JPEG for the sake of not making this image too large. Then just click on download and you get to save it. Now just hop quickly to Pinterest, and what you want to do here is just go to this create button up here and you want to click on create pin. All you want to do here is just pretty much paste the image that you have created on Canva in here, and you want to add a short title that's going to be something like ready for Halloween, get your decorations now. Then in this description, I'm just going to obviously write something that's going to entice people to actually click on the link that we are going to paste in there. Something easy just like this. You can just go ahead and post this video right now and copy the exact same text that I used right here, or you can just go ahead and come up with something similar that's going to actually entice people to check out our collection of Halloween decorations. Then you want to go back to kit.co and you want to share the kit on Pinterest. Now just go to this part where it says share this kit. You want to click on these three icons and copy link to share, and you want to paste it into this destination link on Pinterest. Now this is just one of the posts that I have created to promote this method on this dummy account, but if you're going to be doing this for yourself, what I did myself and I highly suggest that you do as well is create a bunch of these posts and you are going to schedule them to be published on a later date, because that way you are going to make an impression on the Pinterest algorithm and your posts are going to be promoted more, and the more traffic you are going to get to your posts, the more sales you are going to get from your kit. Now pretty much once you're going to post a bunch of these pins, you want to use this secret hack that I'm going to reveal to you right now just for a couple of seconds for all the dedicated viewers. What you want to do here is just see your pin and pretty much you want to copy its link, and then you want to go to this website right here that's called SEOclerks.com. Just go to SEO Clerks, and if you're going to go to this search bar, you want to search for Pinterest, hit search on that, and pretty much you are going to find a bunch of these SEO services that are ranging anywhere between $1 up to $100 in price. Now obviously this is going to require a little investment, but if you're going to use this exact same service that I used myself, that's offering 120 Tumblr or 900 HQ or 150 Pinterest signals just for $1, as you can see right here, you can boost your posts tremendously with very little investment. As you can see right here, this seller has 100% rating of over 2,000 people, so over 2,000 people have used this exact same service to boost their posts on various social media, and this is the exact same service that I used myself to boost some of these posts on my other accounts the last time I was testing out this method, and I made over $2,684 with investing just a couple of dollars to boost my Pinterest post using this exact same service. Now keep in mind, purchasing this SEO service isn't necessary, but it's going to boost your results tremendously, so I highly suggest that you're not going to skip this part, because that way this method may not work as well for you as it did for me. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this method. Now just go ahead and set it up yourself before it's too late. So if you are going to be testing out this method before Halloween, or if you are going to miss on Halloween, you can do this for Christmas, New Year's Eve, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, pretty much any public holidays that's going to require targeted decorations. You can set up this method and make some money with it. Now to check out completely different method on how to make money online without actually promoting anything physical, check out this video right here, and I'm going to see you there.